Germany, as students we have the semester ticket that allows us to freely travel using public transport in the respective state. Having completed my masters, it was time to return it as I am no longer a student. So how about one last trip with it? We head off to Altena Castle. After getting off at the station, the castle is then itself visible standing on the top of a hill. Reaching the castle is a small workout in itself. The path takes you through some interesting houses and a beautiful view of the town of Altena to your right side. Unfortunately, the castle and its museum were closed due to the ongoing COVID restrictions in the state of North Rhine-Westpahlia. So all we could do was admire it from outside.